So in today's video I'm going to be finishing up where I left in the last video. So it's going to be bucking and limbing and tidying up these two trees that I felled. Let's just show you those. So this is the first one I did. That's about 17, 18 inches. There's a good size log down there, so I've got to be bucking all of that and limbing it. And the second one was this was one which is a real heavy leaner, and I bore cut this. It's about 23 inches. Starting off, just going to top up the fuel in the 572 before I get started. Oh. So it's another day. I didn't get the clean-up job finished in the time I had the other day, so I'm back here now to finish it off. So let's have a look where we got to. As you can see, whole area is cleared up. So I've made a little path up there, cleared the bramble. This is where I'm going to winch it out to there. And I've got a nice sort of direct line. It's not far to winch it, so should be pretty easy going. These 3 or 4 trees over here, these hazel trees and that oak there, are the ones that I talked about that I planted. So those are the ones I wanted to avoid. Actually, I might have planted these two as well. I can't remember, it's a few years ago now. Logs are ready to be winched out now. Chamfered the ends on them, as I just said, and then I'll be going straight out through there. Right, so onto the second log now. Right, so that is all done. I've got 7 5-foot lengths there. They're reasonable size logs, glove for scale. And the reason I've cut these into 5-foot lengths is because I get six rounds out of it, 6 firewood rounds out of each piece, and rather than bucking it up here, I can just load each of these logs onto the trailer and they'll fit quite comfortably in the trailer. So all I've got to do now is manhandle these up to the side of the ride here to get them out. That butt log, because it's gone down into the stream there and it's going to be quite heavy, I might just end up having to cut that up into rounds there and then throw the rounds up, but I'll see if I can move it. If it's immovable or too much work, I'll leave it, because what I can do is just flip the end over and then pull it up, but that may not work. Okay, let's get doing that. Okay, that's all the logs from over there, all brought roadside as it were. It's not a bad little haul there. 572 for scale. And then these 2 logs here that are up there, I'm just going to cut those into rounds now. They're too heavy really to try and sort of move around. I think like I said, that one's about 18 inches at its widest point, and then the next one up, that one was about 14 or 15 inches. I measured it. So yeah, it's quite a lot of weight in there in that 5-foot log. So what I'll do now is I'll just literally just cut those into firewood length pieces, and then this job is done. That's it, we're all done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.